Downing Ink cosplay.
Downing Ink here. Today I will be showing all of you how to pin curl hair in order to fit it under wigs, regardless of how long your hair is. Usually you have to be doing it on someone else. I don't really think you can pin curl your own hair just because that's a lot of work and it's kind of difficult to do because you have to be able to see. So have someone else do it for you, I guess. Basically what you do is you take a medium sized block of hair, you put your fingers close to the base, and then you wrap the hair around your fingers, just wrapping it around. And then you slide the hair off of the fingers, and then it's this little rose looking thing, and that is the pin curl. And then you're gonna use 2 bobby pins to pin it in place in sort of an X pattern so it doesn't fall out, and that's a pin curl. So you do that to the whole head basically. This is what the pin curls look like when they're totally finished and ready for a wig cap. So how you're gonna put on a wig cap correctly to secure it to your head the best is you're gonna have whoever's wearing it hold the front just with their 2 fingers, put it against their hairline, and then whoever's putting it on you, or if you're putting it on someone, just stretch it over their head, over the pin curls, and then everything is in place just as it should be. Make sure that the wig cap is not on their forehead like this, because you don't want to see that. Right up against the hairline, and then it's totally ready for a wig. The wig we're using, just as an example, is the one he wore for the Black Butler cosplay when he was Seal at the front. And you're gonna put it on the same exact way you put on the wig cap. If you can. That's basically how the hair is. And then all of his hair is secure under there. You can't tell it's there at all. So when you're ready to take out the pin curl, all you'll have to do is remove the bobby pin stuck into the hair, and then the hair will just unfurl and be perfect. It's not difficult at all. It doesn't take any time. So super easy.